In this video, we'll preview the dashboard. This is the starting point for the admin portal, and the information displayed will change as you progress through account setup to launching the Wellbeing Index for your organization. When you first log in to the admin portal, the starter kit will be displayed. This is the most helpful information for you as you set up your account and plan your communication and launch strategy. Once you've launched the Wellbeing Index, the dashboard changes to display data graphs from the various reports available to you, including participant engagement, distress and well-being, and custom questions specific to the version of the Wellbeing Index provided by your organization. To view a further breakdown of this data, simply click on the graph. The dashboard gives you a quick look at the most important information in your Wellbeing Index account and is a great place to get started exploring the admin portal.